Hi, my name is Aniq. Today we're going to be unboxing a raincoat. So I'm going camping, so I thought it might be useful. So this is how the front is. It's from Ozark Trail. So we got the blue color. Now let's start opening it up. There's a button, and this is it.
Why did you buy it?
We're going camping, so it may be useful if it rains. Looks like it's pretty big.
That's pretty big. Maybe this is for your dad.
Maybe. Okay, so
From here.
that's for the
So you can slip in from the slip in from the bottom.
We'll try.
No. Yep. Oh, it's your size. It's your size.
Yeah.
Now you can camp and no rain.
So, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Bye!